Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix unable to install iOS 18 update on an iPhone. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all just go to settings and scroll down until you see general, click on software update, and here it will show you iOS 18 if it's available. Unfortunately it's not officially available yet, so if once it's available just click on update now and it will start updating to iOS 18. However, if it doesn't update, what you can do is you can do a force restart on your iPhone. So just press the volume up button and the lock screen button and it will hard reset your iPhone. Unfortunately I cannot do it right now because it would cut off the screen recording. Once you have done that, if it still doesn't work, what you can do is restart your iPhone if you haven't already and try again. If it still doesn't work, just go to App Store, search for Apple support, and then just go to Apple support application like this, download it and select your iPhone model and tell them about the issue and they will help you fix it properly within 24 hours. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.